guys! Welcome back sa channel na to. So, for today, ang gagawin kong video is yung challenge na nagkalat ngayon sa YouTube. Yun yung I tried blanks tutorial and ayun. Pero this time, yung gagawin ko is from local YouTuber dito sa Pilipinas natin. Dito sa Pilipinas nakabasa yung YouTuber na gagawin. Naitatry kong gayahin. Yung napili kong YouTuber is si Ate saytiocoartillero. Hindi naman na bago sa akin yung kokopyahin mo yung video ng mga YouTuber kasi when I was starting sa makeup, yun, di ba nanonood ako ng video and ginagaya ko sila. Ang challenging lang dito is for me na-videohan mo mismo habang ginagaya mo yung tutorial nila yun. At yun nga, kaya si Ate Say din yung napili ko kasi si Ate Say yung isa sa mga kauna-unahang YouTuber o beauty guru na pinapanood ko nung nagsisimula pa lang ako sa makeup. So, sa kanya nalaman ko yung almost na lahat ng nalalaman ko ngayon kasi pinapanood ko siya dati kasi sobrang dati ko nga, and super excited na ako kung ano yung kalalabasan nitong video na to, and I hope you guys too. So, let's start na. So, yung napili kong video is yung my favorite holiday look niya. So, 1, 2, 3, go!
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a holiday makeup tutorial for everyone. And first of all, Merry Christmas. I'm filming this on Christmas Day. And you can most definitely use this kapag New Year's na. So this is going to be like a very festive look. I am going to be starting off with the baby skin pore eraser from Medyo.
Oh, I hope sana lahat ng products na gagamitin niya meron ako yan. If wala naman, wala tayong magagawa. Maghahanap ako dito sa makeup ko kung merong kapareha sa kanya. Ba yan, hindi ako ready. So, baby skin daw. Wait lang, Ate Si, chill ka lang dyan ha.
After the primer, we move on to my favorite foundation from Maybelline, and this is one of my everyday foundations. Actually, madami akong favorites sa Maybelline. Kasi naman lahat ng foundations nila talaga, it really works for my skin tone or my skin, and they're just really perfect for everyday. So this is one of my top favorites, which is the James Satin Skin. And I
have one. Taran! Di ba paubos na siya?
am in a shade of B3. Ito yung Air Whipped Liquid Foundation nila. And as you can see, naka 1/4 na ako. And this is like my nth bottle. Nakailang bote na ako ng ginuto. So I just basically use 2 pumps of that. I am getting my buffing brush to spread this.
Buffing brush. Yeah, gusto ko din tong ginagamit sa brush. Okay din naman siya sa sponge.
On my face. So I always start here just to even out my skin tone, because as you can see naman, diba? Oh my gosh, Rudolph ako today. I have the sniffles and I have redness around that area, and just basically want to even out my skin tone. And so B3 is a really nice match for my skin tone, and I am sure that given all the varieties of shades that they have, you'll definitely find the perfect shade for you. Now it's time to powder our faces just to set our foundation. So I'm using the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One 2-Way Cake, and ito yung bagong packaging.
But I have yung wala na pala. Wala ako na. Oh, meron ako yung James Satin din na powder foundation, pero wala na siya. Gusto siya. So, hanap ko ng iba. Wait lang. Yung nakita ko dito na 2-way cake din is itong Sansan 2-way cake foundation. sayang wala na yung dream satin ko, but siguro this one will do na lang. So,
may either use a brush or a sponge. Either is okay. And since this is a two-way cake, it will give you even more coverage for your face. Next, we're gonna contour our faces and using the face blush contour. Ito yung may contour and may blush na palette. So I'm just gonna use muna yung contour part
na to, pero wala akong iba, so sorry. I have to. Kung ano lang yung meron ako dito, yun yung gagamitin ko. Wait lang. So I'm gonna use my detail makeover na contour and blush palette ngayon kasi wala ako na sa Maybelline. I'm gonna use this one.
Contour is life. So kinukuha ko lang yung edge na yan. And then just start contouring. This is the hollow parts of the cheeks. Hindi naman difference, diba? Look at this. And since I have bangs na, I no longer contour yung temples ko kasi nang-cover naman ng bangs. But I still contour the sides of my nose and even my jawline.
So, yung kasama niya sa palette is may blush na kasama pala dun sa palette. But this one, so ito yung pinakamalapit na shade niya dun sa ginamit niya Ate Say. So, imimix ko yung blush na to tsaka dito kasi pinagmix niya yung sa kanya. So, same brush pa rin yung gagamitin ko. Mahirap talaga, no? Kapag yung binibidyohan mo yung habang ginagaya mo siya, mahirap pa rin.
On the apples of your cheeks.
Smile.
Just make sure you blend lang paakyat or palabas ng mukha mo.
Paakyat.
Para mas natural siyang tingnan. For the eyebrows, I'm using the Gigi Hadid eyebrow pencil. Ito yung bago nilang product from the Gigi Hadid and Maybelline collection. So, I really liked it. So, we're gonna use it for today. And you can easily, like, really shape your eyebrows using this pencil. So, super love ko to, girl.
Wala ako nung Gigi Hadid. Wala ako nung. Tapos yung eyebrows ko. Next step, I have to say.
And since it's holiday season, I want to play with gold for my eyes. So I'm using this Maybelline Color Ink or yung color tattoo nila. This is just gonna go on my center lid. So this is parang siyang parang siyang gel na eyeshadow. So you really have to be quick to blend it all over your lid area before it dries. Next up.
Oh my god, paano yun? Wait lang ah. Hahanap lang ako ng medyo malapit sa color ng nilagay niya. Wait lang guys, wait. Gold daw, but parang whitish yung parang whitish yung nandun sa video. I think I have two palettes here, yung Autumn and Ecru ng Detail Makeover, and I think I'm gonna use yung Rye kasi parang may hint ng gold yung ano niya. Parang goldish yung color niya. So, I'm gonna put yan. So, dahil wala ako nung color, nung gel, yun na lang lalagay ko.
I'll be using the one palette from the Gigi and Maybelline collection again, and
dalawa lang ata yung parehas kami ni Ate Say dito ah. Yeah. Gamitin daw niya yung
This is
GG.
my favorite transition color. This one. Super nice.
Transition color. I'm gonna use it as my transition color. This one is Sansan single eyeshadow. Sobrang tagal na nito. Hindi ko lang siya mabitaw-bitawan and ginagamit ko pa rin siya. Sorry.
So I was going to the crease area just to give my eyes more dimension.
Ito yung isang...
Tapos sa outer V natin, I'm gonna add the darkest color,
GG,
which is like a chocolate brown. Mas
Wait
dark
lang,
siya ng konti. So here lang.
chocolate brown. I think I'm gonna use yung buff ng detail.
Pinakadulo. And then you can bring it down to the lower lash line. Next is of course eyeliner, guys. And this is a GG eyeliner, my ultimate favorite as of the moment. It's sobrang black na and sobrang intense. And it has a really precise applicator.
Eyeliner.
So yung cat eye mo talaga real, like super duper bongga.
Yun, check line. Wait. Dito medyo mahirapan ako kasi hindi ko masyadong magaling mag-check eye or yung merong flick sa dulo. And si ate say, yung ginawa niya dito is super ang haba ng flick niya for my preference, but still tatry natin gayahin yung ginawa niya. So yan, using my sleek eyeliner. Sana hindi ako magkamali.
Lagi ako nag-start dito, so I do the check line and then I just go back. And then fill in dito.
So medyo kakaiba to. So magkaiba kami ng way ng paglagay ng eyeliner. Kasi para sa akin, mas gusto ko yung line ko muna dito bago doon. But since gagayahin na natin kung yung ginagawa niya, huwag ka na siya. So yun.
Just look how black this eyeliner is. Grabe. Like super duper black talaga yan. Eh, ang kabilis. It makes a lot of difference talaga if you have eyeliner. Look at that.
Kung doon sa other eye niya, mas inunan niya yung dito kasi yung flakes. So, ganun yung gagawin natin. Alright. Hindi siya pantay.
That's how bongga the eyeliner is, guys. Super
Sorry lang
nice.
kasi, but ito na yung nakayanan.
Nagbigay lang ako ng lashes,
Lashes!
guys. So these are false lashes.
Wait. Lashes! Yes. Ngayon na lang ulit ako mag-false eyelashes. Whew! I have here eyelashes, normal, yung everyday lashes lang. It's 216. Medyo thick yung kay ate say, but I don't have one kasi, so ito yung gagamitin ko.
Now I'm gonna put on the Magnum Big Shot mascara, on my real lashes para mag-marry sila together.
Mascara para doon mag-marry yung false and yung real lashes. I don't have the Maybelline mascara that she have, but I have the Hyper Curl, so yun na lang yung gagamitin ko. Since Maybelline din naman siya. So, let's marry the eyelashes together. Oh wait, hindi siya nag-curl ng lashes. Okay, hindi na rin ako mag-curl. Huwag ka na nga, Char. Susundin nga natin, di ba? Quick na ito ah. Quick mo, Char. Huwag ka na.
Let's also put some sa lower lashes natin.
Lashes din. So, for the lips,
And for the lips, of course, we want something very festive. So I'm using the Color Sensational Maybelline lipstick in shade of Red Revolution.
But I have the Plum Perfection. I don't know kung magkapares sila ng shade.
630. Ang ganda ng pagka-red girl. Like, super red talaga.
So, super bright red yung ginamit niya. And si Plum Perfection kasi what? Medyo dark. Dark yung red niya. Ayan. But I have medyo light red. Dalawa. I have the EB Matte Love That Red and L'Oreal Collection Exclusive by Blake. Ito yung pure red. I don't know kung anong mas magandang gamitin sa kanilang dalawa. Medyo malayo pa rin yung color niya, no? But I think this one's lighter. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko.
Gorgeous color.
Siya, hindi matte yung finish ng lipstick niya, but this one, yung ginagamit ko, matte siya. Ito rin yung ginamit ko nung kay Wonder Woman na video ko. If you want, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yun, I'll link the video down below or dun sa I button dito. So, may taas. Magpas girl.
So that's it for my holiday makeup tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll
Yes, I
see you in the
enjoy
next video. Bye!
See you. Bye. So, ito na pala yung final look. Wala lang akong violet hair. And I think I did a great job on recreating her video, diba? So, kahit yung ibang products, wala ako. And look naman, diba? Na kahit pa paano nagaya ko yung look niya. Ang hindi ko lang ganun nagaya is I think yung eyeliner kasi hirap eh. Hirap nung best. Hindi ko talaga kaya. I think I did a pretty good job naman, diba? So, what do you think, guys? Nakuha ko ba yung look ni Ate Say? And if you're watching Ate Say, hi. Thank you so much for all the things that you do on YouTube kasi sobrang natulungan niyo po ako ng bonggang-bongga sa buhay. Sa buhay talaga. But when it comes to beauty, makeup, sobrang natulungan niyo po ako. And I hope makita ko po kayo sa future. If you guys like this video, click the thumbs up button. Comment down below kung nagustuhan niyo yung pag-recreate ko sa video ni Ate Say. And subscribe if you haven't pa. Have a nice day. Bye! Thank you for watching.